Hello, my name is Marco and I am the inventor of the taper hole saw. I promise it'll make your renovation work a little less of an interference. Let me show you the angles. We all recognize traditional patching, a standard used most for repairing drywall in all domains of construction and renovation. Here's how it's done. You make your hole in the wall, you do your work behind, then you have to apply your wood backing, your patch, more screws, tape, plaster 2 to 3 coats, and it's time consuming, especially if the materials are not available on hand. Next, we have the butterfly patch, or commonly referred to as the California patch. Here's a quick overview. User makes his hole, does his work behind the wall. Fine. Now, he's got to go search for new drywall. Make sure to cut the drywall to the exact same dimensions as the hole. Careful not to rip the paper. Apply your glue or your plaster. Stick the patch on, do your 2 to 3 coats of plaster, and you're done. Issue is, it's not really impact resistant. And if you look from behind, you'll see that if it's not cut to size properly, there's a potential for sound and fire transmission through the drywall. This brings me to the main event. I'd like to circle around and welcome you all to the interference patch, or what I like to call the Montreal Patch. Here's a quick overview of how it's done. The user uses our special tool to drill a hole in the existing drywall. Does any necessary work needs to be done behind the drywall. Once completed, applies a quick coat of plaster, squishes the existing material inside the drywall. Does 2 to 3 coats, done. Here's the beauty though, there is no wood. We didn't use any screws, and there is no paper tape. That's the final result. It's impact resistant. And, as you see here, there is no room for the sound to travel, and there's no room for fire to travel either. The Montreal Patch offers an innovative solution to repairing drywall. Unlike traditional patching or the California Patch, it is way more efficient, less time consuming, more profit in your pocket. Click on the link.